Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Big Joe back again, and today I got a brand new car that I got off Facebook Marketplace. It needs some work to get done, but here it is. So this right here, it's a Stampede 2-wheel drive. Comes with an XL5 and a Titan 12 turn. It needs a new servo, but we'll get on that later. I did have to get a new body for it. It did not come with a body, so I will be painting that later on in the video. But for now, let's go get this thing running to the best of its abilities. So this is the servo I got for it. I think it's like a cheap $20 one, but it'll get the job done for now. Okay, well I plugged everything all in real quickly. Steering works. It's not connected yet, but the steering works, but gonna have to take a look at that. Okay, well something on the inside's messed up because so I am gonna have to take it apart. So I'll do that real quickly. So I took the diff apart and I noticed that a few of these things are stripped, and also that this casing right here doesn't have any screws to go with it. So I'm just gonna have to run out and buy a new one real quickly. Alrighty, I got the new diff here, a new casing, and I came with new screws. So let's all put everything back together. And here it is. I only put in 10K diff lube, but let's just put it together right now. And there we go. I have it all together. Now let's just get it on the rest of that car, and maybe we can get it running today. And boom, it is all put back together. There we go. Everything's working again. Let's see if it actually moves. There we go. Alrighty, new body came in. Alrighty, another day, and today we're going to the track to test out the cars. Alright, that's gonna round about do it for today's video. On the Stampede, servo did end up failing. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna replace it because it's a cheap servo anyway, might as well. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, all that goodness down below. But yeah, have a good one, and peace.